Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for checking out this video. If you're a returning subscriber, then I appreciate you so much as well. Today, we're making a patriotic candle ring centerpiece. So let's get into it. First, grab your red Dollar Tree decorative mesh and cut off a 6-inch piece. Grab the mesh from the center and roll it tightly. Now you're going to put a clamp in the middle to keep it in place. Repeat the same process with the white decorative mesh.
All your dreams will come true, assuming your dreams are to watch more YouTube.
Now open the clamp up and place the white rolled up mesh on top of the red mesh at a slight angle. Close the clamp again. Now do the same thing with the blue mesh, putting it in the opposite direction of the white. Close the clamp on all 3 pieces of mesh. Grab 1 piece of pipe cleaner. Now you're going to want your pipe cleaner to be the same color as one of your colors of decorative mesh. So that's red, white, and blue. Or you could also choose black. Take the clamp off of your bundle of mesh and use your fingers to keep them together. Bend it in half around the center of the mesh and twist it at least 3 times to secure it. Put your hand around the mesh and pull it in the opposite direction of the pipe cleaner to make sure that it stays together. Now put that piece to the side and continue the process until you run out of mesh. Because the mesh is 5 yards, you should be able to make about 30 pieces of mesh before you run out. The Dollar Tree mesh is a little cheap, so it will unravel. So you can use your scissors to cut off all of the stray pieces. Question of the day: what are you doing to celebrate Memorial Day and 4th of July? And are you going to make your own decorations? Let me know in the comment section below. Grab your 8-inch wreath form and 3 pipe cleaners. Twist 1 pipe cleaner near each of the 3 dividers in the wreath form. You're going to use these later on to add ribbons to your centerpiece. If you want to check out another project using a Dollar Tree wreath form, check out my rainbow wreath video. Take 1 of the mesh bunches and tie the pipe cleaner around the middle and the inner ring of the wreath form. Now you're going to fit 10 wreath bunches in each section of the wreath form. After you put all 30 pieces on your wreath form, spread them out and fluff them up to get the desired look. Now you could totally stop at this point and you'd have a super simple, super cute, patriotic centerpiece. But if you'd like to add a little more decoration, then let's keep going. But first, a moment with my design assistant, Nala. Now she didn't appear in the last video because her schedule was too booked and too busy. But she's back and she wanted to say hi to you guys. Alright, back to the craft. Grab 3 different kinds of coordinating 2.5-inch ribbon and cut 3 10-inch pieces of each ribbon. Wired ribbon is the best kind of ribbon to use because you can bend it and shape it however you like. Only one of my ribbons is wired because I was using whatever I could find around the house. Stack the 3 different ribbons on top of each other, placing your prettiest ribbon on top. Now you're going to grab the left and right corners and put them together with the pattern on the inside. Cut the ribbon at an angle starting with the open sides of the ribbon and you will end up with a split or inverted V cut. Fold the ribbons in half so that you can find the halfway point. Bunch the ribbons up a little at the center point and attach them to the wreath form using the pipe cleaner. Twist the pipe cleaner to secure it. Cut the excess pipe cleaner and hide the ends. Spread the ribbons out and bend them to make sure that they look good. Place the white foam disc in the center of the centerpiece to add height to your candle holder. Now you're going to put the clear Mario 7-inch vase on top of the disc. Open both packages of vase filler and pour them into the vase. Now if you're trying to create a vibe, you can place a battery operated candle in the center. I didn't have one, so you're just going to have to imagine it. Sorry. And there you have it. This craft was so simple to make and so much fun. If you haven't checked out my website yet, then what are you waiting on? You can head over to DeAnnCreates.com for all the latest craft ideas and blog posts. Also, shameless plug, follow me on Pinterest and Twitter for more great craft ideas. Links are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button so you never miss another one. And feel free to leave me a comment because I respond to them all. Until the next time, I hope you continue adding a little more creativity to the world and keep coming back because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys.